Hi QC people, welcome to this video. This video about real interview questions for experience 8 to 16 years. This is for the company Capgemini and the main technology they focus on Selenium. Basic testing questions. What are the roles and responsibilities of a QA/QC? How you create a testing team for a new project? How many manual testers, automation testers do you need for the same team? Fourth one is, do you appoint any persons for performance testing separately, or you'll hire some automation testing people who will be strong in performance testing tools? So based on your requirement, you can answer these questions. Automation testing questions. How to collaborate with the development team for making automation testing. So based on the development team's requirement, how they are developing their software and how the UI is, based on that only we are going to do the Selenium testing and automation testing, so that we need to collaborate with them and we need to get what are the modules they are developing, what is under development, what is they are currently developing, and based on the development module we will start to code on Selenium or any using any automation testing tools. Second one is how to apply automation testing tools for integration testings. So there are tools for that, we need to explain those tools. Third one is what are the automation testing tools you are good at. So this is based on your experience, you need to answer. Fourth one is how to create test reports of a project. Did you use manual automation testing tools for this? Which tools you prefer? So based on your experience, you need to answer this. Final question is, your team made a project, you have done all the testing, but when client tests your product, it fails at integration. Why is failing? Why? What step you will take at this point? Based on your experience, please answer these questions. Manual testing. What is a test case? How to write test cases? How you resolve your having a differences in actual result versus expected results? Second one is create a sample test report document for me using your current project. Third one is create a sample test case for Instagram homepage. So these all deals with the test cases. Fourth one is test case fails on the 3 version continuously. What will you make at this step? How you collaborate your development team to make it resolve? Probably this won't occur, but sometimes it will occur, means you have to convey your development team to resolve this issue. And this is all about writing test cases and making test cases. So through this they can understand how you are good at manual testing, how you make your testing for build and versions, and how you test your uh, project. Everything they came to know with these questions. Selenium interview questions. Have you run Selenium automation test on IE browser? Have you run Selenium automation test on Safari browser? So we have separate specifications for getting the particular browser's driver, so we need to use that one. Third one is what are Selenium WebDriver commands, explain browser commands, navigation commands, and web element commands. Through this, they are covering the total WebDriver concepts. Fourth one is how to handle dropdowns using Selenium WebDriver. So handling dropdown and writing code for dropdown is a bit tedious, but it has solutions we can find and explain to the interviewer. And next one is how to use Selenium with continuous integration tools, which means how you use it in the Jenkins or Docker kind of things when you are going for the automation testing, like that. Next one is what are the key items you give to the DevOps team for the perspective of automation tester and manager. If you are using Selenium, we need to include our Selenium jar in the Jenkins build or Docker build, and then we need to provide the wanted Maven things for Selenium. Or if we are using any other tools, we need to provide them the needed information which will make the automation test run and the client system also. Java questions. So we are going for, as we are going for Selenium, we need any programming language. Preferably most of the companies goes with the Java or Python. So the Java question is string str is equal to Java is specified for Selenium. So we have 5 questions here. We need to write 8. First one is convert the string to array. So how you convert a string to array, you need to make that one. Second one is reverse the array. Third one is count the number of vowels. So A, E, I, O, U, and count the number of non-vowels. So when you are doing the question 3, we can get the answer for question 4. Fifth one is find the position of Selenium in the string. Python. So same like Java, Python is mainly used for Selenium coding. So they are given an original string. Python is best for automation. So we need to create 2 things. One is we need to print the odd index items of the original string, and second one is we need to print the even index items of the original string. Next question is you need to create a to-do list application using Python. Jira. So what are the defect tracking tools used? So defect tracking means mainly we are using Jira. At some companies they are using different tools. So we need to explain the defect tracking tools we are using, how you create a bug report, how the development team will take it, and how you resolve this. What are the stages? Everything you need to explain. The next question is, can you explain Jira bug tracking life cycle? So we need to explain from how a new bug is born to its dead stage. Third one is how do you plan and execute Scrum sprints. So Scrum is nowadays used in all the companies. So Scrum meetings, Scrum calls, Scrum mails. Based on the Scrum only, they are planning the sprints also. So how the sprints are made, how you make the sprint for your team, everything you need to explain. Fourth one is agile testing explain. So most of the companies are now using the agile model for their product development. So we need to explain what is agile testing here. HR questions. So first one is how you handle a software testing team. Second one is how you manage a non-working, non-productive team member. Third one is explain the gap in your resume. Fourth one is what is your management style. So you need to explain your management style, how you will get your resources to work better, to get the outputs, and then to manage with a non-working, non-productive team member, we can easily replace them. Or else if there is a need for making them in the company, so we need to do some extra efforts to make that employee to work. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Testing Labs here to use it.